The Just for Kids streaming collection has thousands of videos, audio titles, and games with a focus on content for early literacy and elementary school students. It is a thoroughly kid-safe, advertisement-free media platform that they can freely explore and enjoy. To find Just for Kids, we'll start on the NC Live homepage. If you are accessing our resources remotely, don't forget to select your library to log in. The easiest way to find Just for Kids is by using the Browse All Databases link and then jumping directly to the J section. You can find high-interest videos from top producers like Sesame Street or Reading Rainbow, hundreds of interactive learning modules, and story times for multiple age groups. In addition, NC Live's Just for Kids subscription includes public performance rights, meaning your library or any of your patrons can host a virtual storytime or showing of any of these videos. We'll start with what's featured on the homepage and then go from there. There are recommendations for all different age groups. Early learners are for your babies, toddlers, and preschoolers. Homework help is exactly what it sounds like. This collection includes instructional videos that are arranged by grade level and subject. Below that, we have our featured recommendations. This includes popular TV shows in the resource. The Books and Stories collection has animated versions of popular book series like Redwall, Franklin the Turtle, and Dr. Seuss. And finally, we have more TV shows organized by age range. With the videos for each collection, that is just a sample of the collection. If you click on the title of the collection, you can see all the content that's available in it. Collections pages are organized by series, and you can click through each series to see the individual videos that are available. When you open the video page, it looks like what you might see with YouTube. When you scroll down, there are more details about the video, like when it was added to the collection and the recommended grade range. Below that, you can see recommendations for other videos too. To send the video to yourself, click on the share button below the player. You can email it to yourself or copy the proxied link to the video. Under Record URL, you'll see the proxied link for the video. Copy that if you want to go directly to the video in the future instead of searching for it on the homepage. If you are a parent looking to help your child with homework help, you can search for videos to assist with learning new concepts or skills. Kids can even do this by themselves. Just for Kids has more than just videos. There are interactive games that go along with certain skills and subject areas. These allow kids to practice on their own. In this fractions game, you're able to practice the skill by making sushi orders. The game pages are similar to the video pages in the platform. When I click play, I can play the game directly on this page. Story times are also available in this resource. If you click on the menu in the top left corner, you can see the Books and Stories Brought to Life collection. The We All Have Tales series includes stories like Jack the Beanstalk and Tom Thumb. Further down the page, you'll see there are some folk tales from around the world. These are collections that parents can use for story time at home and libraries can use as part of their public programming. You don't need a laptop to watch content from Just for Kids. You can watch videos on your phone, tablet, or smart TV. All right, let's look at the highlights for using Just for Kids. There are more than just TV shows in this resource. You have all kinds of video content and interactive games for practicing math and reading skills. Just for Kids gives you permission to include these videos as part of your public programming. This makes the resource ideal for librarians hosting a story time or an after-school program. You can watch videos on your computer, tablet, phone, and even your smart TV. Links to additional Just for Kids training resources can be found in the description below. Thanks for viewing this NC Live crash course. If you are interested in learning more about our resources and skills that are relevant to librarianship, subscribe to the NC Live YouTube channel by clicking the subscribe button below.